So we've got Coravin Model 11, our first fully automatic Coravin. It's the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to pour wine. So I wanted to be able to have a glass of white and a glass of red on a Wednesday and not care about when I was going to have it again. So the way I do that is by pouring wine from a bottle without opening it. You use the thin hollow needle to go through the cork. You simply tip the bottle sideways. That puts an inert gas, argon, into the bottle. That gas is pushing the wine out of the bottle and into your glass without any air touching the wine that remains in the bottle. You can pour as much or as little as you like. Simply stop by turning up. And when you're done pouring, pull the needle out of the cork. And because cork is elastic, it reseals. So you can drink this again next week, next month, next year, just like it was an unopened bottle. So now you can drink from any bottle you own, in any quantity you want, whenever you want, without having to think about when you're going to drink from that bottle again. So it does all the basic stuff, like keep track of how much gas you've got left in your system. But because we're a wine company, we wanted to do something really cool. And so we created Coravin Moments. And Coravin Moments pairs wine not just with food, but with an experience you're planning on having. Every wine has a personality. And wine's personality is what accentuates every experience. So say, for example, you were going to watch The Godfather and eat tater tots. What would be the perfect wine? So it'll know the wine you have, or it'll also suggest a great wine. And this one, it suggests a Sicilian wine. Of course, The Godfather's from Sicily, so it's an Etna Rosso. Or you can listen to David Bowie and eat cake. What's the perfect wine for that? You like Riesling? It's a Riesling. Or Christmas caroling and cookies. You can also, we've developed a proprietary algorithm where you can enter in anything using natural word search, like Mexican and Stranger Things. And it'll know the wine that you own, and it'll suggest how that wine pairs with that experience. Like with a guacamole, you might want a Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand, or one of the oldest wineries in California for the nostalgia of Stranger Things. So it's a really cool app that connects to the Coravin Model 11, but it'll also work with any of our Coravin models just for the fun of it.